spent 20 minutes trying to find the ball.
Jeez, Ben.
Oh gosh, a
Henry keeps
golf
on
ball.
throwing these pitches. If he'd actually throw balls good, I'd actually.
Ben, next time.
Alright.
Hey, you got a piece of it.
Remember,
How's
Ben's
that
rule
now?
was if he hits it even on a ground
Yeah.
visit, it's a nice hit.
Yeah, that's if it goes past it.
Well, how about we not let balls and strikes matter for Ben?
No.
2 and 2 then. You got a piece of it. You got a piece of it. Good. Yes, you did. You're good.
Alright, if you insist.
Oh, we're up.
Come on, just pretend it's a goss right
Power up, dude.
I thought you used to play with him.
Yeah, at the beginning of spring.
Hey, maybe you should power up.
Use your magic kung fu powers.
He's powering up.
Alright,
Watch out.
press the D button here. Let's go.
Throw it.
One more pitch.
Alright, one more.
Alright.
Alright.
Foul tipped it.
You ticked it. It was a ball. 3 and 2.
Boy, Ben is good at fouling off all those pitches. Oh, that ball. Alright, move in a little, Ben. No, there we go. Good job. Good job.
How come he threw the lowest ball?
You throw it. Throw him high.
2 and 2.
I still say you should use the big blue bat.
No, that doesn't work.
It makes
He
you
said
get
it's too
contact.
heavy.
To me, it doesn't work.
He's a true baseball man.
Doesn't hit it too high.
2 and 2.
Too heavy.
Hey.
That hit him.
That's hit by pitch.
Yeah.
2 and 2.
Alright,
3
Ben.
and 2.
Don't swing, Ben.
Oh!
Block.
Good job. Good job.
He's loaded.
Does that count?
No, that doesn't count. It can't bounce. Ball 1.
Darn.
Strike 1. Ball 2.
I'll tell you if you swing, Ben.
By the time you do that, it's too late.
2 and
Well,
2,
I
Ben.
could have swung anyway. Couldn't I? Did that bounce
Yes,
or
it
not?
did.
Oh,
Ben, you're not out yet. Come on.
oh.
Almost broke. 92%. Count.
Alright, you walk, Ben.
You're on base.
Like a D8.
Well, he's got the exasperated sign when he gets up down, alright?
And the tongue hanging out.
There. There you go. Do a little Barry Bonds there, Ben.
Ben, don't swing at them unless they're right in front of you.
Okay.
Oh, got him good. 1 and 1.
That didn't count as a strike.
Nope.
Ball 2, Ben. 1 strike.
I don't have to be on the pitching mound for Ben?
Nope. If you're nice to him.
Can't burn him in
Dang.
there.
2 and 2.
I thought I could
It's only
have
two.
got that one.
2 and 2. Bravo.
I tipped it. I tipped it.
You ticked
Alright.
it.
I tipped it.
Don't swing!
Ball
I
3.
didn't.
Full count.
Oh!
Yeah, well, there you go.
Back to the 70th ball. Spent 20 minutes trying to find the ball.
Jeez, Ben.
Oh gosh, a golf
Henry keeps on
ball.
throwing these pitches.